Apparently the old lady made some soup. Got a new truck. Well, new to me. '95 Chevy C2500. Very solid. Needs a cab corner. Long bed. Extended cab. Last year the throttle body 350. Got 186 on her. Drew did a nice job cleaning up the interior. First time starting it in a couple days. You can't beat these old throttle body motors. They're not powerhouses by any stretch of the imagination. Drew's. I already got a cab corner for it. My buddy's got two brand new doors for it. This one's not bad. Little spot here. It's gonna get fluid filmed. I do need a tailgate. Strangest thing. Everyone and their brother knows how these bumpers always rotted out. This bumper is like brand new. But look at this stinking tailgate. Extended cab, 8-foot bed. Throw my air mattress in here. Go to sleep. The dings and dents. Bed is solid. Frame is solid for an Ohio truck. This cab corner ain't bad. Not at all. I should drill some drain holes in it and fill it full of grease. Uh-oh. Probably. Whatever. Keeps stuff from leaking. Or keeps stuff from rusting. Gotta take it to my buddy's house. Rear brakes need bled and needs a couple of things I really don't feel like farting with. Tighten up a little too. They always break there, the bolts, or the plastic housing, whatever, for the dash cover. Good heat. That thing just started up. Horn works. Can't beat it. Great truck. We're gonna go for a drive here in a little bit. I gotta get some stuff from the parts store. I despise this intersection. It's a blinky yellow, when in actuality, it needs to be a regular light. None of us like street lights, but small tip for you, this road here, this is 532. This takes you to Summit Racing's headquarters, which is about 3 miles that way. Smooth runner for 25 years old. This thing's in pretty great shape for an Ohio truck. Track's nice and straight. Alignment needs adjusted. Steering wheel does anyways. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves. You simply cannot beat these old throttle body motors. You just can't. They're not fast, but they're torquey and they're dependable. It's getting a little too warm in here for me. This heat burns you out. Blower motor's a little noisy, typical 90s era technology. Sits in there, chatters a little bit. It's 25-ish through here. Turn signal stock doesn't want to return, but it's alright. Oh, that was mighty nice of him. There's the dually, new home, that Mississippi plate on it.